Hey guys, just before we begin the episode, we want to say a few words. But if you want to skip the good gratitude words that you want to express towards you, then it's fine. You can skip that. The timestamps are in the description box. But otherwise, just stay tuned.
Thank you so much, guys, for watching our podcast. It really means the world to us, to every person who heard us and put up with us, because I don't know how we put up with each other, and that is why we're taking a break.
Thank you so much, guys. We really appreciate it. Like, you guys have been, constant in our lives when we don't have anyone, and we really appreciate it.
Every person out of the 30 subscribers.
Love you all. Please send us money. Bye. Enjoy the episode.
Enjoy the next 30 minutes of uninterrupted listening.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Aur Pata podcast. I am Nitya, and this is my co-host Manas. And today we have Kritika and Megha with us. And I can't believe I'm doing this finally. It was my dream to, host one of the episodes of All Pata podcast, and finally I think Manas has allowed me to do that.
cut करो. cut करो. दादा किसने आने दिया एक्स्ट्रास को यहाँ पर?
ये देखो डोमिनेंस देखो.
ये दादा हटाओ इसको. Hello everyone, this is Manas and you're watching out the podcast. Let's bring her back. It's इसका last day यहाँ पर धरती पे. After that she's gonna प्राप्त मोक्ष and all that. Anyway. Apologies for that. This extra won't do this again, and I'm still here, so that's it. So last episode, we did an episode with one of my ex schoolmates, Nikita, and this got us talking between our friend group, and so my friends were like, Manas, we need to talk about it on the podcast. It's not that I started crying because I was rejected by other two people. And then Megha was like, chal main aa jati hu. And then I was like, 1 second, the aspect ratio does not sit well when we have 3 guests, like 3 people in that thing. So it's like, chalo yaar, Kritika ko bula leta hu. So yeah, wow. So welcome the other extra Megha and Kritika. Hi guys.
Yeah. Hi guys, it's so nice to have you back. We started the podcast with you guys in the 3rd episode, and now we're ending it also with you guys. My best friends.
What is this? Ending with you?
Yeah, this season. We're ending the season with you.
Yeah. Feeling so special.
Yeah.
Thanks. It's so good to be back.
Yeah.
So what did you want to become when you were a kid, and what are you now, and what happened in the middle? Like, why are you not that
it's
thing?
It's like I'm in a therapy session and he's going to make me cry. I
do you need a tissue?
This, but
Acha hai, free therapy.
Yeah. Why, Mans? Why? So I think what I wanted to become kept changing as I, grew up. As in, when I was like really small, I wanted to be a shopkeeper because I thought they have a lot of money. That's what I would see as a kid. They have this much money, and I was like, I need that. I'm gonna be a shopkeeper.
That's really ambitious, Kritika.
I know. And
says
then I realized, okay.
Says the person who's selling plants.
Those are not just plants. Those are like really unique plants with like customized terrariums and like vertical gardens. It's a proper full-fledged business.
What if
running
तो क्या पता कृतिका भी क्या बोलते हैं इडली के क्या बोलते हैं गेहूं के आटा बेचती. It could be possible.
इडली के गेहूं के आटा.
Sure.
Kritika, I will not let anyone push you around. Okay? I will not let anyone push you around except me.
No, I realized
Oh no!
Censor everybody's name. No name calling.
Okay, we're totally going dirty, in this episode.
Yeah.
Like the vibe of
Kritika, yeah.
Yeah. No, then I realized कि no shopkeeper तो
Oh, ये मत बोल. Megha.
Oh shit.
I was going to say more like I don't have that business acumen and can't be an entrepreneur.
Please cut that off.
I think every part. Every part of this episode, we're going to be like, ये भी censor कर दे, ये भी कर दे.
cut.
बस ठीक है अब इसको
You know,
बोलो.
respect to small and medium businesses, ठीक है, but then it changed to what, I don't know, IAS or lawyer type, because that's what your parents keep telling you. Okay, this is what you have to become. So that changed to being a lawyer or maybe an IAS. Then I realized it's going to be very boring and I will be surrounded by boring people. So no thanks. But then I sort of realized that I want to be in the social sector kind of a way, that, you know, I want to elevate poverty. Okay. So, and I thought economics is going to be a great subject because I enjoyed studying economics a lot. So I went on doing economics honors from a good college, but unfortunately, I did
SRCC
not
guys.
continue in that route.
SRCC.
Yeah.
Overachiever right here.
Sure. But yeah, I mean, I was always into the academics bit. ऐसा कुछ नहीं था कि मुझे musician बनना था या something, और वो नहीं हो पाया. So I'm still in a very boring field. I am an HR now, not elevating poverty, but giving people jobs.
But
Nice.
joining the poverty
ना हो
line.
सकता है. Like,
That's also cute. That's quite cute. Yeah. So we'll go from poverty to poverty. So what about you, Megha? How is it like being a second class citizen living in a different country? What's up? What did you want to become?
Megha is more like poverty, but make it fashion.
Actually, Emily
Poverty,
on
but make it budget.
Emily on budget. Flea market styles.
Thrifting every day. Yeah, like when I was super young, like 6-7 years old, I wanted to become a gardener because I don't know, I was so fascinated by it. Like just वो
Wow.
खाद वगैरह डालते थे,
You
पानी
wanted to
देते
be,
थे.
You
you
see,
wanted
you
to be what I am kind of now professionally.
Yeah, but I was
Full
like,
circle,
okay,
guys.
I
Full
like-
circle.
What a
Nitya,
small
they're opening-
world. Make my dreams come true.
Yeah, continue.
Anyhow, and then when I entered my teenage life, I wanted to be an actress. I don't know why. I was just so like, ooh. Funny story. I even auditioned for Disney. Oh, that was something else. I remember I saw this ad on the newspaper, and Disney was coming to Delhi. So I was like, okay, maybe, you know, I should give it a try. Why not? The best part about it was that, like, I didn't tell anyone until the day it was happening. So it was like night and it was happening the next morning. So I'm like, I go to my parents. They're sitting in the room and I'm like, so kal aise ek audition ho raha hai Disney ka and I really want to go. So my father is just, you know, he's quiet. He's like, why do you want to go? And my mom, oh my God, what an amazing woman. Like, she just stops him like, yeah, it's okay. We'll come with you. Chalenge. तैयार हो जाना 6 बजे सुबह जल्दी. I'm like, oh, okay. I was not expecting that. And then I thought, you know how Indian parents always are. They'll be like, क्या करना है, पढ़ाई पे ध्यान दो. But my mom was so,
where are your priorities and everything?
yeah. She was so great with that. She's like, कि हाँ, ठीक है, तैयार हो जाओ. Time से तैयार हो जाना and we'll go. And then I'm like, okay, I need to tell Kritika about this. I'm texting her, Kritika, so this is happening. I'm really scared. It's okay, I'll come with you. Like, are you sure? Like, are you sure you want to do this? Should I do this? It's okay. Like, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. Try करने में क्या जाता है? करते हैं, मजे करेंगे और कुछ नहीं. Then, so at 6 a.m. We picked her up from her place, went to Delhi, and then we
Megha?
stayed.
Megha,
What?
where was my text? Like one second, I gave you a chance to be on the big screen, like on my podcast. I
know.
considered you first, and then I considered Kritika, and then I considered Nitya. But
I guess उस
Okay,
time
never
पे
mind.
हमारी कुछ fight चल रही थी. We were having one of those moments. Yeah.
So if I come in money and हम fight कर रहे हैं, I just know what to do. Yeah, continue with your business story
But
because
he
we
was
know
not that close, maybe.
because we know where you are. So
Anyhow, तो हम लोग जाते हैं वहाँ पे and मुझे नहीं लगा था कि it'll be so busy over there, but there were a lot of kids. So हमने register किया and then they said, so we get there around 7:30 a.m. and then they told me कि आपकी बारी शाम को आएगी 8 बजे. So for
Oh
the
my
whole
God.
day, my parents, Kritika, so हम लोग बस wait कर रहे हैं वहाँ पे कि जब मेरी turn आए. I did not prepare anything for it. Like for the audition, मुझे नहीं पता था मैं गाना, I mean, I'm horrible. Dance मुझे आता नहीं. Like क्या करूँ मैं यहाँ पे? So we prepared this little skit from Gajni. वो ध्यान नहीं कंगा है. जवान मर्दों की पसंद. So that's what we prepared and we practice so many times. Kritika is just giving me notes. Okay, ये ठीक से कर. And then I finally go there and my heart was like, it was beating so fast. But anyhow, it was overall a really good experience. But that's when I realized, yeah, that's not for me. Acting is not for me because I do not have the talent and I do not have the face for it. So that changed when I
But I
when I
think
moved.
I personally feel that talent is what outweighs everything. So I don't think it's not about not having the face for it, but yeah. So
Yeah,
in the end,
yeah.
it's a skill, and also like I mean, at that
It
time you
was
probably
just
got
like,
excited, but
Yeah.
but maybe 2 years down the line you'll be like, seriously, did I even like what was I even thinking? Like it's just it's a spur of the
Yeah.
moment thing that happens
I know.
sometimes.
And also like when you think about careers like these, you need
Yeah.
that courage. Like you
Yeah.
need to have that. Like once you
Very
take that
it's
first
risky
step.
business.
Yeah,
Yeah.
exactly.
Yeah.
I don't think I had that. So I mean, I was not up for it. I was not like I want to be like I want to have that safety net. So yeah, not for me. Anyhow, fast forward 3-4 years, I'm in 11th and 12th grade. So मुझे doctor नहीं बनना था. I mean, my parents were like, you should take medical engineering करो. I mean, sorry, I'm not that smart. Like I'm not that smart that I can take science. So that's why I took commerce. So for me, it was just what do you say? Like just life was happening. Like I didn't decide कि ओ मुझे यही specifically इस career में जाना है. I took commerce. I got into SRCC. And then afterwards, I was like, okay, like I want to prepare for CAT, which didn't happen because again, like you need to like give your 100% if you want to clear CAT. So that did not happen. And eventually, after after a year, I moved to Canada, and here I'm into marketing. So yeah, I'm a marketing professional now. Like कहाँ Mali से फिर acting फिर उसके बाद business and now yeah finally into marketing.
Okay,
So that's my story.
Okay, so from an aspiring Mali to actual Mali, Nitya, what's with you, man? What's up?
Well, when I was really young, I wanted to be a princess. But I realized
Nice,
कि
but you
yeah,
are.
stop it.
No, we stop. Continue.
Yeah. So that was like that was like my dream in like when I was in like prep and first grade. I was like I've got like royal blood. I don't know, I had this thing I like this could be my profession, that I could just be a princess, and everything was about getting
just out of curiosity, Nitya, what did you think princesses do?
No,
Good
this
question.
this is not the interesting part. Why did you think that you have a royal blood?
I just so okay, so you know what, like I because our mom used to travel so much. She used to work for Gap, the clothing company. She used to be out of the country 200 days in a year.
Megan
And
Rainbow.
Oh, she's wait, sorry, out of curiosity. She's
Sure.
into fashion. She's
garment.
like she works.
No. She was actually heading human rights and CSR for Gap. So she was taking part of the human rights aspect of Gap.
Mega was
And
like-
she was the global
Mega was
director.
like, one
and,
second. Can I get some discount?
नहीं,
Can I get a
now-
broke
now
sister
if I-
discount?
yeah,
If
sure.
if I move back to India, I know who to contact then.
Yes, you do. So we used to like just
Counselors
have
people
like
now.
we used to get What do you mean? What kind of a description is that of a mom? Oh, she counsels people now. Like, give some sort of a background. No, so she's actually done her psychology, and that is why, so she did. Yeah, so she was a counselor before she got into the corporate structure, and yeah, so she was never expecting. But then she did her master's in social work, so that is why, because of her social work background, she got into human rights. Anyway, enough about my mom's profession, but because of that, she used to like bring like really pretty pink colored frocks and dresses for me. And us time pe, like I was that one lucky person, also an only girl child, so it was like, I used to get all the attention and the pyar. So my friends would see me like with these really pretty outfits. And of course, like because mom was in the garment industry, she didn't have to pay for a lot of it, because she used to get a lot of stuff, export rejects and everything. It was great stuff that you get and everything. So I was like, I was like, oh my god, like and she used to get me those matching accessories and clips and everything to go with it. So I would be like, I remember I was even given the tag of best dressed in play school, because I was always like matching shoes and matching outfits and matching bags and everything. So because of that, I always had this thing that this is my life, like this is like us time stylist ka koi concept nahi tha na ki you could even become a stylist. So for me it was like, this is what I want to be. I just want to wear pretty dresses and look nice. So yeah, so that's what. And there were some relatives of mine who used to say, oh, she a princess. So I was like, okay, I want to be a princess. So that's how it started.
Princess. Just wear nice clothes and look pretty all the time.
And look pretty all the time. Pretty in pink. Yeah.
Yes.
So that was my first ever dream. Then after that, I think when I was in 5th grade, I had this obsession about having my own stationery shop. Like I was like, because I was so obsessed with stationery. You ask anybody who knows me really well, I used to hoard
What is this?
diaries.
This is a complete full circle. You wanted to become a Mali, she become a Mali, and then this shopkeeper. What is this happening?
I wanted but for me it was
I need
only
to find good friends. Like this quality of friendship thing. This thing is happening.
Sure.
It's not sitting
तुम्हारा
right.
सुनते हैं. Next is
so anyways, the stationery. So yeah, that was my thing. Then oh my god, I want my own stationery shop. I just wanted to be surrounded by good pens and notebooks all the time. And I used to love those fragrant erasers. I used to like have them in all shapes and sizes. वो जो fruit shaped erasers नहीं होते थे. So I used to, and I remember like there were some people who were so jealous of my stationery in school. There was this one girl who had even stolen my pencil box twice, because she knew that I used to get all the imported वाले pens जो उस time Sharpie के आते थे, and जो Pilot का V20 होता था ना, which is really thick, amazing ink. So I used to like have those pens in my pencil box, and I remember I used to cry. I was thinking, "Usne mera favorite pen le liya," and everything. I used to come back home crying. So yeah, that was. And then after that, 3 years after that, I was like, I want to become an animal behaviorist. So it just
very specific.
It was just like,
I wouldn't even know what that meant.
Exactly. Yeah. So that was because I started volunteering in a few animal shelters at that time. And I had some friends who used to volunteer a lot. And I there was a time I was scared of dogs, and then it was like 180 degrees change. I fell in love with them because of my mama, who got these really two cute Yorkshire Terriers, and that's when I fell in love with dogs. So I don't know why, I was one day browsing in my laptop, and suddenly this ad flashed on my screen saying that understand your animal better. And I clicked on that, and there was actually this fully certified course of becoming an animal behaviorist in the US. And I was like, I want to do this, and I want to understand my dog better. So I also got a dog by then, and I was like, I want to understand my dog, and I could make this into a profession. And I'm like imagining like मेरे clinic में ऐसे लोग अपने dogs को लेके आ रहे हैं, oh my god, इसने 3 दिन से कुछ खाया नहीं है, इसको क्या कर सकते हैं, is he depressed, is he sad, like does he need a partner? And I'm like sitting and giving people gyan and everything. So anyway,
novel worthy profession.
Yeah. So that also never happened. And then of course finally I think here I am doing this podcast with Manas. So
Last resort.
The worst for the last. And also but I think now it's like writing is my thing. So I'm currently like working on my first book. and I hope to really publish it soon. And also, I'm right now I'll be traveling shortly, as I mentioned in the previous episode, क्योंकि मैं योगिनी बनने जा रही हूँ. So after all of that, I decided to renounce the world and learn yoga and maybe teach yoga after that. So that
Nice.
is where I've landed.
Interesting. Nice.
Okay. So all of the fragrance crayon eraser thing reminded me of a funny story of mine. I was in nursery, I think, prep, whatever you want to call it. So
I remember this.
so so my sensory, what do you call it, smell karta hai.
Naak.
It's not very strong, okay.
Acha.
So this
Smelling
girl
part.
was telling me that smell this crayon, it's really good, smell it. I was like, okay, I can't get anything. मुझे कुछ नहीं आ रहा है smell. So I kept sniffing it, and the crayon just went inside my nose. Okay, and it got pretty jammed up there. And as a kid, I didn't know how to, voluntarily sneeze or sniff it out. जो होता है ना कि exhale करना मुझे नहीं आता था. हाँ, so I inhaled it and I kept inhaling it. So it just went upwards and it was stuck there.
Yes.
So my one nostril was fully blocked. And
So
there was a small kid.
Nitya was huffing, you were snorting.
बचपन से ही नशेड़ी है ये लोग.
I
Manas,
literally,
what were you addicted to besides Kim Kardashian's butt?
okay, thank you for asking me. So initially
He's
I,
addicted to mithai.
that's a whole
हाँ,
different.
oh my god,
Oh,
so
fuck,
many eating
yeah.
stories.
Sweets all the time. I'm like,
Just
he'll become a type 2
hearing it,
diabetic
हाँ.
before he gets.
Seriously.
Yeah, seriously.
No, just
But you guys
hearing it
know, right?
would give me a sugar rush.
Every
This is
mosquito in
turning
the
out to be
world will want to bite you.
nutritionist podcast.
Can we please stop? Like it's about me. Can I talk for a second?
Yeah. Yes. Please tell us
sure.
क्या बनना चाहते थे आप?
Yeah. So initially I want to become somebody, I love correcting people, so I wanted to become a police officer.
Somebody who annoyed people, basically.
You wanted to become a somebody, now you're
I love my
nobody.
police. I love my police. I love lawmakers. So I don't know what she's talking about. But then I realized that the money is not good, and there's a lot of let's just not say that. So the money was not good enough, and so I was like, "ठीक है, uniform भी इतनी अच्छी नहीं है. Khaki is not my color anyway." So then I was like,
You
"I'm not
can't
doing it."
squat.
Yeah. So I discarded that one. Then I wanted to become a doctor because I want to help the poor. Like that's why I took it. That's why I took in Nitya, Kritika, and Megha as my friends. But that's a different story altogether. So I wanted to become a doctor. Then I saw my sister study for that, and I started failing miserably, in my studies. And then I realized that this has to be done after school, and itni moti book voluntarily you have to study. And I was like, no thanks. I'll just help those people. I'll just make the donations. Then I want to become a fashion designer, but then I realized
Yeah,
that
who needs a degree?
yeah, and then I want to become a fashion designer or architect, but then I realized that max to max मेरा बुटीक तो कुछ नहीं खुलेगा. मैं सूट सील रहा हूँ. चिकन करी.
राजू भैया, वो ब्लाउज पे थोड़ा सा गोटा पत्ती का काम कर देना.
Yeah, so and I was like, I can't do chicken curry
Manu
for
bhaiya.
the shut up.
Monty, अरे
Oh,
Monty's
Monty.
boutique.
Can I talk about me for a
Monty's
second?
tailor.
So that's why that's,
Monty the Darji.
okay, we'll just let these women, take it all out. At least I was sort of, entrepreneurial. ये नहीं था कि माली बनना है, ये करना है. Just shut up, ठीक है?
Hello,
offense.
shopkeeper is
No offense,
entrepreneur.
Yeah. Excuse me?
Exactly.
Yeah, मेरे वाला better
Don't
था.
undervalue our professions.
Yeah.
Done, already done. So I want to become that. Then I was like कि नहीं यार कुछ नहीं होगा. I won't become anything big like Sabyasachi. I will just होता ना कि सील रहा हूँ blouse वगैरह. So I don't want to do that. Then I want to become an architect, but then I realized that it takes 5 years and then you have to work under somebody. And it's the same with the sous chef. And so I was like, okay, creative field is just not for me. So then I just went with the crowd and I ruined my life, and now here I am doing the podcast. That was quite fun.
Yay!
Don't you guys think जब
So how is your
I
relationship with
feel-
teachers? Like, what do you think of it?
बोलने नहीं देता पागल सा.
Learn, okay? You respect teachers, just learn then. So Nitya, what do you have to say about teachers? Bash them.
Hmm.
Bash them.
They always brought out the worst in me, and
Yes. Come
yeah,
to the dark side.
yeah. And oh, I'm feeling this Guru Purnima vibes. So yeah. So I mean, like I had teachers in my life who I could never look up to,
Hmm.
and that was, and it was ironic because the way my parents viewed their teachers was like with so much of respect, and like for them it was like इन्होंने मेरी life बना दी. I used to suck at this subject, but when this teacher came into my life, bus I started topping my the subjects. So yeah, like my nani, like she was a mathematics teacher, and I even know now there are like her students from school who still contact her because they're like, she's the reason why we took up mathematics and everything. So good teacher can have that sort of an impact on your life. And I remember there were two teachers who I really loved, and I don't know why it was this weird sort of a fate I had. Every teacher I fell in love with ended up transferring or going to another school or retiring. So I
Mhm.
don't know why that kept happening, and all the bad teachers were left. So there was this one teacher I remember who was really creepy and weird, and she used to like, she developed this sort of a like, it was really toxic. And I remember she used to eat my food, and
What?
yeah,
See
this was, I
this
remember.
Excuse? Huh?
to the people who are
Yeah,
like to the people who are like just coming like who doesn't know Nitya, it's a very recurring theme in our life, like school life. हर एक को इसका खाना खाता
yeah.
है, टीचर, bullies,
So
best friend,
I
everybody.
was telling Manas earlier, like I was that one person. I was so,
Nitya,
because
save
I'm
it.
half.
Nitya, save it for later, ठीक है, वो वाली चीज.
Okay, fine. Yeah, I don't know. I'm saying that, like, because I'm half Mallu, I used to get really yummy, like dosa, idli, chutney, amongst like the boring paratha achars. So, and like, like even when people were like, "Tu hamara kha le," I'm like, "Mujhe nahi khana tumhara khana." Like I was very happy with my food. So
Yeah.
anyway, I was too happy, and I think nazar lag gayi sabki.
Mm.
So there was this teacher, like, once, like she used to like keep hinting that she's hungry, and she was like, oh yeah, like, bhook lag rahi hai, and she would keep saying, what is everybody getting? And
That's
she would
so
first
weird.
start off, no, but she would start off saying, I want to see what is the sort of nutrition kids are getting and what are people getting in their food. So it started with that, and then from there it's like one bite, two bites, and then she just started like just randomly taking people's food and eating it. And I was also one of them, and she would be like asking me, "Ki, tomorrow
The
what will you
weird
bring?"
lady.
Yeah, so she was really weird. And of course, my nani being my nani, I was telling Manas, like, she would not hurt a fly. She's like the most gentle soul. I used to be with my grandparents because my mom used to be out of town, because she had a traveling job, and my dad was also working late hours. So I used to be with her. She's like, so, oh, acha, this ma'am likes your food. I'll send one more for you tomorrow. I'll send two tiffins, one for the ma'am, one for you.
Oh no.
And I would be like, and I'm not kidding, there were times and weeks I used to carry two tiffins, one for the teacher and one for myself. It became so weird. And my friends were
So
like, this is
fucking
not
weird.
normal. Yeah, this is not
Yeah.
normal. But and like there was also this time I remember that teacher, like, in the PTA meeting, when she was my class teacher for some time, like in the PTA meeting when other parents are like, oh my god, her grades, this that, and mine will be like, अरे आपने उस दिन वेडनेसडे को जो डोसा चटनी भेजा था ना, that was incredible, वो आप प्लीज ज्यादा भेजा करें. And so yeah,
Oh
so
shit.
I've had teachers like that. Then of course I've had some very picky teachers who've like picked on me for no reason. And also because, like, in my case, because my mom went to the same school, so because of that, that was like that was more of a disservice to me because she was a head girl and I was a backbencher.
Oh.
So because of that, like that contrast, there were teachers who were constantly comparing me with her, and they wanted me to meet up to her standards of how she was and everything. So yeah, so because of that, I faced a lot of difficulty. Like I was deliberately picked on by a few teachers. There was this one teacher. We used to have those exchange programs, like Indo-German exchange program and in Indo-Thai, where like kids from Germany would come to our school, and like there were students sent from our school to Germany. So I remember like my name was considered, but then it was cancelled by this teacher because she didn't want me to go. And it was just like there's a lot of politics. And I think there's more politics in a convent school. That's something definitely feel because I was shifted from a co-ed to a convent. So that was another experience altogether. So yeah, it's been a pretty interesting. Like I've always like very unknowingly happened to enter the bad books of teachers even when I've not tried to. But yeah, I've had teachers, um like the teachers who understood me, they loved me to bits, but of course they were always minority, and they were usually like transferring to other places. I don't know why. So yeah, it was just I had this rough
Okay.
patch at school with teachers. Yeah.
Fun.
Yeah.
Kritika, what about you?
I think I would say I had a good and bad both. Again, I don't have any teacher that I can say that, oh, she was my favorite. I miss her. I would like to go back and meet up with her.
Yeah.
Or no role model as such. So nobody has left an
Ah.
impact in my life, I would say. But of course, there are bits and pieces that some teacher had taught me that I still take along with me. And, there were some teachers who I would say were even racist.
Oh
So
shit.
Wow, nice.
in that way, I've had bad experiences too. But yeah, it was average experience that I've had. Also, I was a nerd, and I think I would say
No
I used to
way.
score pretty well. Shut up. But I was never a
Kritika,
teacher's pet. Huh.
it reminded me of that time. Who was that teacher who said something about your skin color? कौन सी थी? Was it a music teacher?
That's what. Yeah, she was a music teacher, so I got selected
The
into this
same teacher.
dance group for some
Kritika, the same teacher who
same
taught
teacher.
us.
Yeah.
Yeah,
उसकी शक्ल देखी she had the audacity to say that to you.
Hmm.
I know. I don't know.
I was just,
I
I'm
was
so
what, 12,
sorry,
13
Kritika.
year
I was
old.
just imagining the teacher just saying कि आपने ठीक से सा और पा का सुर नहीं लगाया, and like because of that she's judging you.
No, it was not Saur Pakasur. She was also, I don't know, she converted into a dance teacher too, all of a sudden for an event. And I
Okay.
was selected in that dance group. Okay. And then I overheard her talking to another teacher saying कि ये तो काली है, देख के select करना चाहिए था.
Holy.
And I just thought,
Oh my God. That's
So messed
horrible.
up. Yeah.
That's horrible.
I know, but yeah, I mean, I told these people I don't know whether, anyway, I'm going to go and learn myself and बकवासी डांस था जो भी है.
Obviously, वो बड़ी शामक दावत थी. Dude, मैं होता ना मैं तो क्या तो मम्मी को कंप्लेन करता. Like
अरे,
I
my
remember like
mom, my mummy तो अरे, she would have like straight away gone to the principal with this.
For
dude,
fire. Like this is a
my
fireable offense.
dude,
Seriously.
But
fire
then
तो
again, back in those days, these things were so normalized. मतलब कोई
Yeah.
किसी को इतना कुछ आजकल तो चलो फिर भी
Now
थोड़ा
it's like
होगा.
big thing.
Yeah.
This time to
Yeah.
people didn't really give it so much. Like
No.
people didn't make such a big deal, especially in Indian parent. Like if we just look at the parenting model in India, most things
Yeah.
that Indian parents say to Indian kids are offensive. Like
Oh,
if you
actually
just think
true.
about
True.
yeah, so like something if that is said in like if that's said in a Canada, they just be like, oh my God, I
Yeah.
think my daughter needs therapy
Yeah.
because
dude,
so,
forget
yeah.
parents. Our conversations are not the best. Anyway,
Yeah, that's true.
but like if I had any sort of like trouble like back then, like in at least जो भी तो I would tell my mom, and my mom would like straighten up those teachers herself. So that was the best part. In PTAs, like she would like come with a good comeback, and she would be like, "Huh? So what's up? You were calling my son something about his surname,
Oh,
about his color.
oh.
Tell me
Oh
about it."
damn.
So and then she
They
was like,
said
"नहीं नहीं
something
ऐसा
about your
कुछ नहीं है."
surname.
Mama got
हाँ.
your back.
Yeah, so like I'm Yadav, so like some kid was like Lalu Prasad Yadav, which is like not a bad thing, ठीक है? But they were like
Yeah.
going along with it. So my mom was like, okay, so what? So she was like, अरे बोल दिए तो बच्चों ने क्या हो गया? And I was like second or third grade. So my mom was like, nice, she's straight. Now I'm not gonna go into details because that's like spicy.
Yeah.
And so yeah, so that's that.
Nice. Auntie was a boss woman.
Yeah, I'm
Yeah.
really respect
Yeah.
auntie.
Dude, my
But
mom,
no, even
if
if I
like
look
if my
back
mom,
now, I can see.
yeah, नहीं like if I
I think
was
I was just saying that even during some event, जो भी कुछ हो रहा हो, assembly or something that involved being on stage, teachers would just pick up fairer looking kids या
True.
prettier
Really
looking
bad.
kids and make
True,
them
true, true,
stand
true,
in the
true.
front. And
That's really
baki,
bad.
even if you are the voice or you are going to be the singer, still you will be somewhere in the sidelines. या
You know
पीछे
what,
the fairer looking kids would be in the front.
Kritika, this issue I did not face it in Panchkula, like where I lived before, like before coming to OLF in 8th class. Like I was the only guy who would dance like with like so many girls in the back. Like when I was chota tha, but they like I would be in 5th class, 6th or 7th, jo bhi hai, and other girls would be like 10th, 11th, 12th, jo bhi. But like I was never picked on because of my color in that school at least. They always like put talent in the front. But like when I came to like Gurgaon, of course, like हमारे school में तो कुछ हुआ ही नहीं था. Annual function just like happened like once, and that was like really trash, and I did not even come and see that. And same, I did not want to perform in that. But like teachers did a lot of bias wali cheez, like what you're talking about. Like instead of picking up kids who want to be the monitor of the class, they would pick kids who they thought are good, like who they think they want to change a mold. I have like volunteered so many times that I want to become the monitor, I want to become the prefect, but they would, like, I thought initially like it was a thing about getting the best marks. If you top the class,
Yeah.
then you would get it. But then I would
Yeah.
see people like who do nothing, who fail classes, but who are like gundas, and teachers want them to be, कि class चुप
Yeah.
रहेगी अगर they would be in the.
This
Yeah, I mean,
this
if I think about, when I was in school and like I remember in the bullying episode, like the guy who used to bully me so badly, and it was not like this general "Arey yaar tu moti hai." It was not like that. It was like really bad bullying, and he went on to become a prefect
wow.
because I think these are people his parents used to give donations to school every year, and
Uh,
Oh
that's why they were
God.
like favored
Kritika
because of the
Megha,
money they used to give
do not act
to
surprised.
school.
You know the same guy who like whose parents
I
used to do
know.
the same.
oh,
Mega.
Megha's on a roll today.
sorry, sorry. Okay.
Who did
Oh
this?
Just censor
God.
that.
Anyway, so like, yeah, so Nitya, like we are quite acquainted with this idea of people coming to power
Yeah.
because their parents or they're like gunda and all that, like, and they make they're powerful people.
Yeah.
That's all.
Yeah.
So now I'll come to my topic. So like how my amazing relationships with the teachers. Like before this, like like relationship was not that bad or something. I joined like OLF, the Megha and Kritika Wala school in 8th class, and when I came there, so it was like maybe like it was like second or third month or something, and I was like just have. अब होता है ना जब क्या होता है आई दिस वॉज नॉट द कल्चर दैट आई हैड इन माई प्रीवियस स्कूल जहाँ पे बच्चे हंसते हैं व्हेन समथिंग हैपन्स या उनको डांट पड़ रही दे वुड लाफ राइट but when this happened here kids would laugh, and for some reason I picked up that habit. So there were like two girls sitting in front of me. I don't remember like we all were laughing together or I was just laughing because they were laughing, okay? And they for some reason they started laughing, and like it was a Hindi class, and
Oh no. I remember. You were sitting in front of me. I had a partner. Oh no, you were my partner, bro. हम लोग साथ में बैठे हुए थे. And then आगे, I think there were two kids. I'm not gonna name them. And then पीछे there were two kids again. And then we all were laughing. It wasn't just like all six of us were laughing about something. I don't remember, but yeah, that was yeah.
so so we were laughing, and like she of course saw us laughing, and she was like kya kar rahe ho, jo bhi hai, and then she came to us. Okay? And they, for some reason, because the cool kids didn't know how to stop laughing when somebody catches them doing anything wrong, and so they were like quiet like all of a sudden, and I could not stop myself. वो मेरे को मारने आ रही, मैं हंस रहा हूँ, ठीक है, देख रहा हूँ मेरे को मारने आ रही है मैम, ठीक, खत्म होने वाली मेरी लाइफ, ठीक है. She came and I ducked. Like she raised her hand, and she was like मारने वाली थी, and the moment she were doing, I ducked and she hit the backrest of the chair, ठीक है, and जो भी bench था, and she and she went like this, and I don't remember like much उसके बाद. The only thing I remember is like in recess she left, ठीक है, she broke her hand and she got a cast.
तो जब ये हुआ, so there was like a stare down between the teacher and the teacher's like, and then he's like, and then he's just staring down each other.
this reminds me of one of my friends' experiences. I remember that there was this very hot teacher that they was there in their school. Like she was really pretty, and there was this one guy who had this big crush on her. And I remember she was telling me that he used to keep trying to go very close to her, and like one day he tried to kiss her, like the cheek. So he went for the cheek, but she turned and वो गलती से lips पे लग गया.
Oh,
I was like, oh,
the
damn.
audacity, the guy. Oh my.
And obviously she was shocked, he was shocked, the entire class was shocked. And
क्लास के
he just
सामने
did
हुआ.
not. Class
अरे
के
उसका तो
सामने.
दिल बन गया यार.
But of course he
This-
couldn't show it at that time, and she was, of course, like, I think she probably sent him to the principal's office, or but she
Yeah,
was like,
l-
I just couldn't
So
take
like
it in.
coming back to my story, so I was new in the class and I of course joined after summer vacation. So then we had a change of our जो class teacher होती है, ठीक है, and there was this new teacher, ठीक है, और वो उसी दिन join करी थी, या next day था. And so the Hindi teacher went to our staff room in recess. I'm like having my lunch in चुपचाप बैठ के खा रहा हूँ, बाहर नहीं जा रहा क्योंकि बाहर प्रकोप है, क्या होता है बुराई का, जो भी. मैं बैठ के खा रहा हूँ. And she came in the class and she pointed out with a cast जिस पे प्लास्टर लगा हुआ था हाथ, वो कहती, this is the boy who hit me, जो जिसकी जिसमें लगी, ठीक है. And the new class teacher was there, other subject teachers were there, and she was like, I want to take note of this. And after that the class teacher did not.
The villain.
The class, yeah, she saw me as somebody, like as a trouble kid. She was like, she would not listen to me. She would always give me hard time. So that was that. And she then, of course, she remembered the entire thing. So in 10th class, like when I actually needed a favor, she was like, मैं तो नहीं करूँगी मदद. Like she said, like straight up on my face in front of the vice principal. I hope she's dead.
You should have used it to your advantage and said, नहीं करेंगे तेरा भी हाथ तोड़ दूंगा.
दूसरा भी तोड़ दूंगा.
Oh my god, I wish.
Balance.
But वो है ना कि like teachers कब से इतना vengeful होने लग गए. I mean it happened.
From the
It was a
beginning of the
mistake,
time.
like,
Reflex action था यार, of course.
and then you
थोड़ी आगे करेगा
Yeah.
तो
Exactly. It's not like
and you were
अच्छा
just a
यहाँ मार ले.
kid. Yeah, you were just like what 13, 14-year-old kid. तुम
Exactly.
इतना
And you're
हाँ.
protecting yourself. And like, what is this?
Exactly.
It's not. Why does she take it so personally?
I didn't even shield myself कि ऐसे हाथ कर लिया, ऐसे कर लिया, उसने सिर्फ मारा, अब लग गया. It's not my fault that she's old and she has a bad aim and anger issues.
Okay, just to end this topic, we are not saying all the teachers are like that. It's just like there were teachers that I really
Just
liked
most of
who
them
helped
are.
me out.
Yeah.
But
Some
we're not-
really good ones. Yeah.
But this is not about teachers, okay? This is about us and our agony. So speaking of agony, do you have any exam horror stories? Or funny stories, anything like related to exams? Like, what do you feel about it? Not exam,
So
story.
I mean, I can openly say I've never cheated in an exam. I was too scared to cheat.
Ugh,
And
boring.
also, yeah. I just so no, but also because I always had this thing that ki I don't even know how to cheat, and also I don't want to because I just felt like I had more confidence about how much I knew versus how much the other person knew. So I'm like, even if I don't do well, I can at least take accountability that, okay, I've not done well based on how much I did, how much I did not know. Then the second time it was really funny. This girl, I was telling Manas, had really curly hair, like really frizzy curly hair, and her friend who was like this pro in cheating, she was like उसके साथ पूरी setting बनाई थी कि तू मेरे आगे बैठना, and like she just stuffed a lot of sticky notes inside her curly hair, like in her pigtail, because दिखता नहीं था, so she had like these lot of sticky notes inside her hair. And she used to, like, every 5 minutes, like, she would just keep pulling out one note from her ponytail and,
So
and
smart,
looking at
bro.
it and cheating. Yeah, and like she did not even get caught because I think our substitute, like that invigilator, was pretty dumb. He was sitting and drinking Mazda and looking outside.
Excuse me. So that's a great segue. So I'll take the stage from
So,
here because
yeah.
आप किसी और की stories बता रही हैं. That is just not fair. Okay. So I'll come to mine. I'll come to like Mazda वाली चीज़ें don't रुक के. So like Okay, we are not doing a section because Megha's getting busy because she's about to leave, even though
She's
she
got a
had
life and we don't.
because she
Yeah.
even though she made a commitment, she's not like sticking to it. But anyway, we are gonna excuse her. We're gonna come to that. मैं दोनों चीज़ें बताता हूँ ठीक है, पहले मैं लिम्का वाली चीज़ बताता हूँ जो इसने बोला माजा थिंग.
Oh wow, Mazda, Limca, nice. It's
Just
all
this one second.
centered around drinks.
So when I was a
Yeah.
kid, I was not like very healthy as such. Not because I used to drink maza. Yeah, I had a low immunity system. ठीक है, immunity different था. तो so I was a kid, so I would I would get really bad viral cough, fever, and whatever. So I had my exam. So my dad sent me into school, and he was like, उससे पहले डॉक्टर को दिखाया था. डॉक्टर वाज लाइक कि जस्ट कीप कूल, कुछ ठंडा लेते रहना, ये करते रहना, यू कैन नॉट रन दिस हॉट. ठीक है. सो इन द मिडल ऑफ माई एग्जाम माई पियॉन केम इन एंड ही वाज लाइक कि ये बच्चा कहाँ पर है. एंड माई नेम यूज टू बी लविश बैक देन एंड आई वाज लाइक मी एंड टीचर पॉइंट्स टुवर्ड्स मी, वाज लाइक कि इसको 5 मिनट का ब्रेक चाहिए एंड ही इज गोइंग टू हैव लिम्का विद सम नमक इन इट विद सम सॉल्ट बिकॉज do not fight me on this. According to Indian doctors and parents, Limca is not a aerated drink. It's a medicine. It relieves gas and whatnot.
And
And
digestive.
so like everyone's
Rubbish
like,
had gas in school.
so everyone's like, so everyone, I'm not even joking. My nickname was किसी एक बहुत ही mean बच्चे ने मेरा nickname बनाया था LPG, lavish, जो भी. It was something different. So anyway, so coming back to the story. So everyone's giving the exam. Everyone was giving the exam and I was having my limca, and after I finished my limca I was given my 5 extra minutes to finish it. And yeah, coming back to the another exam thing. So when I came to OLF, I did not used to cheat before that, right? But this madam Megha, who is right now getting ready, of course, like is amazing at cheating, and she's a major B. I'm not going to say this. She's a major bitch, ठीक है. So she used to sit in the like behind me, ठीक है, because Megha, MEMA, ठीक है, and she was also my partner. क्या बोलते हैं class में because same height थी उस time पे. So and I noticed because I came after summer vacation, like I joined the school after summer vacation. They already had studied certain things and कोई unit test वगैरह कुछ था, and they were all prepared. So throughout the exams, I was facing bullying and fitting in situation, सारी चीज़ें चल रही थी, and in the middle of it they were all cheating. So one day I was like कि मैं prepared तो नहीं हूँ, I will ask around, ठीक है. So आगे देखा, आगे वाले आगे से चीटिंग कर रहे हैं, पीछे से पूछे, पीछे वाले पीछे से चीटिंग कर रहे हैं, and this जो पीछे बैठी थी मेघा, शी वॉज चीटिंग, सब कुछ कर रही थी, मेरे को छोड़ के सारी क्लास चीटिंग कर रही है वो करके. सो देन आई रियलाइज कि डू नॉट रिलाई ऑन योर फ्रेंड्स, एंड दैट वाज माय हार्ड लर्निंग. एंड मैं रैंट करूँ, जल्दी जल्दी ख़त्म करना है क्योंकि क्या बोलते हैं मेगा विल लीव. सो मैं उस पर सारे जितने भी अटैक कर सकता हूँ मैं अभी करके छोड़ूंगा. सो
Damn, we don't have a video to see her reactions to this
It's okay.
roasting that's happening.
It's
This
okay.
is like his side of story. Beowulf stuff.
एक
I
सेकंड,
remember being.
एक सेकंड, तू मुझे चीट करवाती थी, जस्ट सच से बताइए.
तो मैं चीट, तेरे को क्या, मैं किसी को चीट
ओह, कृतिका सच से बताइए, ये झूठ बोल रही है ना.
सही में
देख, कृतिका इवन रिएक्टेड. मेगा, यू आर अ लायर, यू आर अ ग्रेड ए लायर. ठीक है, हट यहाँ से. ठीक है. So
मैं तो काफी चीट कराती थी यार.
so speaking of
I was
talking,
happy.
speaking of best friends and helping each other, there was like हम 8th 9th class में थे. So this girl came with face bleached. ठीक है. She had a hairy face. ठीक है, थोड़ा सा. She came and जैसे बच्चे, we know बच्चाs are meant for saying such a things, and I was that sort of that kid at that moment, and I say अरे तेरे बाल तो तेरे golden blonde से हो गए, what is it? And she was like नहीं नहीं, मैंने हल्दी लगाई तो ऐसा हो गया. मैं कहा नहीं नहीं, I've heard about. मैं कहा no, I've heard about it, it's bleach or something ना. And she got like bit defensive. और ये मेरे side में थे 4-5 नमूने, like the one who are laughing at her and the one who is hiding her face. तो they all started laughing. पता नहीं क्या हुआ. She just, because of course girls grow taller before the guys do, and I was around 4'8" or something, and that girl was around 5'4" or 5'3", and she started hitting me. तो वो टावर जैसा इंसान मेरे को हिट करना स्टार्ट कर रहा है, एंड हम एक कॉर्नर के ग्राउंड के दूसरे ग्राउंड तक चले गए, एंड आई एम जस्ट लाइक ट्राइंग टू डिफेंड माई सेल्फ विद दिस फ्लेलिंग हैंड्स, एंड शी वाज धप 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 धप, and all of these, and everyone's like chanting mar 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 mar. Okay. एंड ऑल ऑफ दीज मैं पीछे हल्का सा थोड़ा देख रहा हूँ, आंखें जितनी दिख रही है खुल रहा है, ठीक है, जितना विजन है, एंड ऑल ऑफ दीज आर लाइक सिटिंग इन, ना पीछे बैठ के पेड़ के नीचे अपने खाना खा रहे हैं, व्हाटएवर डोसा एंड शिट, एंड दे वर ईटिंग.
But it just escalated all too quickly. I mean, पहले civilized conversation चल रहा था, फिर ऐसे हो गया, ठीक है, एंड इतनी सारी भीड़ आ गई, तो जैसी लड़ाई होती है भीड़ आ जाती है, पता नहीं कहाँ से
ऊपर
भीड़
टीम
आती है बचाने के लिए नहीं, बस तमाशा देखने के लिए.
हाँ देखने के लिए. एंड आई एम जस्ट ट्राइंग टू, मेरी भी हाइट कुछ ज्यादा थी नहीं मानती, एंड आई एम जस्ट ट्राइंग टू लुक एट कि हो क्या रहा
हम
है.
जैसे बड़े as if me and Kritika were like popular
Giants or something.
ये आठ थी,
रोक दो,
8 लोग थे वहाँ,
please.
और वहाँ पे ऊपर 3rd फ्लोर तक सब नीचे देख रहे हैं, एंड आई जस्ट उस साइड में क्या होता है लाइक
सब ऐसे रेलिंग से देख रहे हैं, क्यों एंड
ठीक है.
लिटिल क्राउड के साथ ये दोनों ऐसे एक ऐसे
famous.
एंड सो
Infamous rather.
एंड उसके
ये लड़ रहा था ना, ये लड़ रहा था.
एंड साइड में क्या होता है लाइक देयर वाज वाइस प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफिस एंड शी केम आउट एंड शी सॉर्ट ऑफ डिड समथिंग, मुझे पता नहीं, बट आई ऑल आई नो इज feeling my hands, and that's all. I'm just saying like I have so many क्या होता है इतने दुख दर्द दिए इस क्या होता है बेस्ट फ्रेंड ने. I'm just saying क्या होता है कृतिका, you are my favorite one. Thank you for the cup. Yeah, so Kritika,
Wow.
what
Cheating
what
materialistic
मैंने
love.
को भी नहीं कराई.
क्या
चीटिंग तो मैंने तुझे भी नहीं कराई. आई डोंट रिमेम्बर
because you, नहीं हमारे बीच में लविश आता था ना एक और. Yeah, I changed my name at the right time.
I remember.
God.
I remember.
I
I was
have a
also
friend named
once.
Lavish.
Yeah, lavish. I was also once. I remember attacked in school, and again, and I don't know why it was
Cute.
repeatedly to do with my. It was repeatedly to do with my tiffin and my food. So this was, I think, in second grade. This girl, she used to come, like, started with saying ki, can I have some, and I did not know how to say no, so I was like, yeah, sure, take. And from that it started, but then ये लड़की और चौड़ हो गई, and वो बस फैलने लग गई, and from like a few bites she just started just eating my entire food. And of course I was not taught how to say no, because my grandparents were just, especially my grandmother, didn't teach me that. She was that person, like I just said, she would send a second tiffin if another person's eating my food. So finally I gathered all my courage and I'm like, आज तो मैं no बोलूंगी इसको, क्या है, I come back home hungry, ये नहीं हो सकता and all that. And there were two times I bought a lock for my bag just so that she doesn't open my bag and take my food. That was the level to which.
क्या लॉक भी खा
And
गई?
she नहीं. So it was break period and I was like eating and she's like कि आज क्या लाई है, and she just came and sat there and I was like मैं नहीं दूंगी, and I was like eat your own food. And the next thing I see is this long scratch on my left cheek. She took the compass and she just I don't know what unresolved anger, compass लेके उसने मेरा left cheek ऐसे scratch कर दिया पूरा. And obviously it was like this, luckily it was not a deep cut, but there was blood. So I came home with a scratch on my face like a martyr, and I was like, look Amma, I said no to somebody today for the first time. And yeah, so that was
Did you
my
not
experience.
complain to your teacher about this?
I think it was one of those days that there was a substitute teacher and our class teacher was not there. So it was, and also, oh yeah, and this girl was like, she was this big shot, like her parents were one of those, she was a daughter of this big bureaucrat. So I remember that I think if I remember correctly, maybe my Nana would have complained, but obviously they never escalated it and it was just, nothing happened. She was fearless enough to kind of trouble me. So, and then of course, yeah, so that happened. So I think then they just changed my section or something, like that is what they did, rather than change her section, because that's what they should have done.
Yeah.
So yeah,
अरे थप्पड़ वाली स्टोरी बता ना.
बता. अच्छा, I'm waiting for that.
अरे यार मैं अपने राज खोलूं. What about you, huh?
हाँ, so there was this big
कृतिका पे आएंगे.
So there was this.
I thought you were talking to me.
No.
नहीं यहाँ पे बहुत से लोग के
नहीं,
थप्पड़
नहीं,
पड़े हैं. हम सब पिटोकड़े हैं.
नहीं,
don't
so
worry.
हाँ, मेरा था, this was back in second grade. There was this big celebrity. Of course, you Manas do censor this, but I'll tell you guys. Granddaughter. So was in my class, and yeah, Navya was my class.
amongst us.
जितनी बार मत बोलो मुझे
Yeah.
एडिट करना पड़ेगा.
So anyway, so was my class. So this girl was my classmate, like this big celebrity's granddaughter, and of course because of that one thing, and there was like security all the time because of that one reason. Everybody was like, "Oh my God, she's like perfect," and like like worship her. And so in second grade again, like I think we were playing kho, and I was in her team, and everybody wanted to be in her team because obviously she was so popular, and for some reason she was not letting me play. So she just kept pushing me out like as if I don't exist. So I got very upset and I was like, mujhe khelne nahi de rahi and everything. So that happened, and then I remember as I came back and I'm like, I also want to be on the team, and then she just slapped me. And her nails were really long, so she slapped, but suddenly नाखून के निशान मेरे गाल पे लग गए. So yeah, so I was like, okay. So then I came home with those scratch marks, but then I went and complained to the teacher. This teacher was rare because she was not biased at all, and she actually yelled at her publicly, like she yelled at her really badly. So I was like so relieved and so happy. And of course then like my grandparents complained to her mom also, and her mom didn't seem to care. But yeah, so I got slapped by a celeb, guys. And
Mom as in the celeb's daughter.
नहीं dude, she has a lot of Instagram followers now. She's pretty. No offense, Nitya.
please,
She
yeah,
is
whatever.
pretty.
No, I'm saying mom as
ओ तू चुप रहो. देख
Yeah,
वो लोगों को सब बोल एक आप तुम नित्य ने 3 बार बोलेगी. नित्य आई सो मैं हटाऊंगा नहीं अगर तूने एक और बोला तो.
नहीं, don't.
अरे मैगजीन को
Yeah,
बेचो,
Kritika.
story पैसे लो.
Yeah, Kritika, it's that.
हाँ तो अब Kritika, do you have any slapping stories?
God. You know I do.
मेगा तू बता यार इसकी.
And it started because of him. It was initiated by Manas.
Oh
I
God.
got slapped by
एक
one
second.
of my
एक
close
सेकंड
friend.
एक सेकंड तो एक बार तो तूने भी स्टार्ट किया था किसी और को पिटवाया था वो
I
नहीं
was
बोला
like,
जा रहा.
women empowerment. There was like boy versus girl wala, not girl slapping another girl.
हाँ वाओ. Why can't it be feminist क्या बोलते हैं move? She might be
First one was the boy
was
was
correcting
hitting
you.
my friend, and I gave my
No,
friend
the girl who slapped you was
Manas, let her
confidence to beat him
speak.
back.
Let her speak.
No, I just want to say one thing. The girl who was slapping you was, teaching you some, she was correcting you. Yeah. Megha, do you want to tell Kritika's story and then you can just leave? And then Kritika, you can interject whenever you feel like. Okay, it's your story, sweetie. we all here for you.
I mean, as far as I remember, so May, Manas, and Kritika, I think Kritika was also a part of it. But we were just talking about, I mean, obviously we are at fault.
Don't say
but
names.
we were just talking about the
Please,
You know
don't go specific. Please don't go specific. Mato.
Okay. Anyhow, what we were doing were a pretty shitty thing to do. But I don't think Kritika was the major part of it. She was just standing there and listening. Like she didn't say anything. She was just listening. So I don't know how, but this whole conversation got up to that girl, and then she confronted Kritika, and she's like,
Now Kritika will tell the story.
no, she didn't confront Kritika. She was talking.
कृतिका क्या हुआ था अब ये
I
तो
confessed. No, so ठीक है. These people were talking about something जो भी है, and maybe that thing hurt her. I honestly feel it was not a big deal, but ठीक है, it was about and everything, and maybe she didn't feel good about it. And the girl who was talking behind her back was the one who went ahead and told her कि you know what, we were talking about this and this, and she was upset all day. I didn't say anything in school. I was like, anyway, I didn't initiate that conversation, or I was not a part of it. I didn't contribute to it. But then again, when we were going to tuition together, she was telling this to third person again that somebody was saying this about me. I didn't feel good. And I saw that she didn't feel good. So I just told her that I was also there. So I know who was speaking about it, and she just slapped me right there.
Oh God.
Never tried slap.
Yeah, the first one didn't hit me correctly, so then she slapped me again.
She
And I
bitch
just stood there, I
slapped
was like,
Ow.
what? And I thought, shit, man.
ठीक से नहीं
What
लगा.
just
चलो ठीक है.
happened?
Try again.
Ah,
God bitch
no,
slap.
but the next second itself, I think she realized and she was like, shit, sorry, I didn't mean it. I snapped or something.
What a messed
And
up
my other two
person.
friends-
थप्पड़ मार
I
के
know.
shit. Sorry, I didn't mean it.
Yeah, so guys,
And oh my god.
so guys, let's just wrap it up. We are gonna end this episode. Thank you guys. It was our last episode, and this was my last conversation with
Yes.
Megha as well. We will see you in season 3 with a new co-host, because yeah, that's life. We'll see you later, guys. Bye.
Thank you for breaking my heart. Bye, guys.
Nobody cares.
Bye.
Bye, Megha. Bye, Kritika.